You saw fast? Holy shit, man! I'm not worried about Jay's bitch ass anymore. Shit, I'm gonna This is great, man. Shit.
Fuck that. Hell you going?
Don't need to worry about it, bitch.
Man.
Yeah, you got that leash on you, don't you?
Yeah, man. Ah. Fucking leash law.
Really tight on this.
Yeah, dude. This gets all fucking right.
Cool.
What you measuring for?
1, 2, 3. What?
Goddamn, the dog's a fucking retard.
Oh my God,
Fucking you fucking. Yo.
Wow, what's
Oh,
You want
shit!
to do something?
wow.
That's right. We're doing that. You might want to stop barking and start running before you actually come like bust your head in.
You ever seen someone without the dick on their body before? Oh no? Well, you're about to be the next person, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. You ever Don't run away. No, bitch, come here. This be fucking home move, bitch.